Hey guys, Miss Tish here. Today I'm going to give you a video tutorial about recording a speaking sample using Vocaroo and uploading it to your Google Classroom account so that your teacher can grade it. The first thing that you will need to do is to log into Vocaroo.com, VOCAROO.com. When you are there, you will most likely see this message that says Adobe Flash Player settings. You will need to allow Adobe Flash Player to access your camera and microphone. If you do not see this message, then that means you shouldn't have any issues moving forward with your camera and microphone. But if this is what you see, you will click Allow, and at this point you will be making a recording. When you are ready to stop the recording, you will click Stop. You are able to listen to the recording if you want to, or you can retry the recording. Now remember, the second you click the button, you are recording. See how the light is flashing red? Stop. Now, when you're happy with it, it says happy with this recording, click here to save. So you click here. It provides you with a link, sharing options. So you will copy your link, and then you will go to Google Classroom. So of course, in order to access Google Classroom, you go to your Google account, your Drive, and you go to Google Classroom and you pick your class, whether I'm going to pick French 7. French 7, actually, this was what yours will look like, but I am going to upload assignment to an assignment called Duolingo that I have on my Google Classroom from our World Language Department. So the name of my assignment is Duolingo. And what I want to do now is take this link that I just made and upload it so the teacher can grade my assignment. So it says your work, and this is under the assignments tab. Add or create. You are going to add or create a link. Then you are going to paste your link, add the link, and the link will appear on the right-hand side, and then click Turn In. That's it. Simple as that. So just in case you missed where to find your assignments, I will go back to my class, and you'll see up here you go to classwork. And then when you're in the classwork tab, you will see all your assignments. This is your view. So as I said, this is a view of a class that I'm a part of at the Stratford World Language Department, but I just wanted to use it as an example. So if you have any questions, please make sure that you raise your hand and ask, and I'll be happy to guide you through the process any way that I can. And good luck in your recording and your uploading.